Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, Revered Babuji Maharaj, Wednesday, August 23rd, 2010 am. Your Master also is pushing ahead towards the goal we wish both of you to reach, that is, a true communication which will be beneficial to all. It was not easy to convince you, but with time we have managed. He is obviously in utmost humility to admit this process, which is frustrating for him. That is how things are. There is no need to dwell on that. He is the master. You are a medium and he is not. At first sight, the situation is not comfortable. But that does not matter, since through this means we can send him written messages, which he can reread as he pleases. Our contacts with him on other planes do not provide him the same possibility. It is another way of communicating with him. Our dedicated translators and the modern means at your disposal make things easier. You both will get accustomed to this situation and you will end up finding it natural. Thus, all will become even easier. You will record his request better and better, as well as the answer we will give you. Divested of your doubts and fear of not satisfying us, you will become a first-rate messenger. You have to get used to it, my dear daughter. You did not ask anything, but we chose you. Be blessed. Continue to love us and serve us, Babuji. On same day at 4 p.m. Birth anniversary of Francois. Don't despair, this problem is painful. We will actually end up finding a solution to help you more effectively. You have always been so courageous. You kept filling me with admiration since we met. I had seen you fighting so much during all these years when I lived with you. I had a limited view of your problems and the sufferings you endured. I know now and I am trying, together with all those who love you here, to soften your way, but we are not as effective as we would like to be. It is necessary to go through terrible tests on earth. They are initiatory and, if properly endured, they make one advance considerably. Even if that cannot comfort you, you have all our compassion and our love. We try to embellish your life on other aspects. There is love around you. You have been doing your level best for a long time to help your fellow man, and you benefit from the return of all these finer feelings that drive you. Being with you was always happiness. Nothing has changed even if my presence has not been effective for 14 years. You sense me in your heart, and these messages testify to my ever faithful thought. We will meet again here. That is one thing gained. You will not be able to escape it unless you change your mind, which would surprise me much. You often surprised me in the positive sense in some aspects of your personality. But as concerns what we have just mentioned, I feel easy in my mind. There will be no surprise, and we will be the two of us at this ultimate appointment. Another life will start for us, very different, but which will please you, since we will be serving together under the control and love of your beloved. Thank you for not forgetting this birthday. Yours, Francois.